went from my undergrad straight into the master's program, and one of the great things about the program is that it was flexible and that I was able to start taking classes even before I'd graduated with my undergrad. Or getting a master's, it looks fantastic to employers, so that's, one thing there. But specifically kind of the skills that I learned during the master's program, were really helpful in kind of expediting my trajectory and within IBM. Technology is interesting. Like, you do learn a lot on the job, but one of the important things that you kind of pick up when you're going through a master's program, you really hone in on critical thinking and analysis, and asking questions. And one of the advantages of this program, it's a smaller school, smaller class size. The professors are easy to reach and get a hold of. Really, any field has a technological component to it. And so being able to understand the behind-the-scenes networking and how data is stored in databases and architecture and software design, it benefits pretty much any field that one might be interested in getting into. It kind of gives you a leg up.